And stormy winter's night, they came to take my girl away, 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 away. Let's throw her off the highest cliff, they scream. Or burn her at the stake, the stake, the stake. We want the wish. We want the
Well, Steve Blizzard was very nice to give me some 6mm Depron foam, and I went to the Tragan Owens hobby shop and got myself an 1806 motor, essentially 3 Hectronics 900 servos, and I'm running 3S 450 milliamp hour battery and turning a 4.5 4-inch prop APC. Originally I set this up to fly with elevons and rudder, but I discovered very quickly that the elevons were ineffective in roll, very good in pitch. So I went back to the rudder. This is based on a German design, but shrunk down considerably. You can see in the wind it gets buffeted around a lot.
Probably like a real witch would.
But it flies very easily. It's very much like a trainer. It does roll really nice.
Wow.
Oh, I broke it on my